Okay, let's try to do a launch. I actually don't know yet how. So, park, then you put it into Sports Plus, put it into drive, press the gas pedal, performance start, go. Welcome back to Import to Cup channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today guys, I have a 2023 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. First of all, did you notice guys? It's clad with a lot of carbon fiber parts. This is from Techart guys. So you all know that we're the exclusive distributor of Techart Germany products here in the Philippines. So this is a Techart part. They call it the air frame intake vent. Yeah, looks really nice. Fit and finish is perfect. Then we actually changed the whole hood to a carbon fiber version. We painted this area, then left this exposed. Looks really nice actually. See? So nice. Look at the quality. You can see the quality of a carbon hood when you see the backside of it. It looks perfect with the Techart logo. And this is the 4-liter V8 twin turbo engine from Porsche. Tuned to 750 horsepower and 950 torque. So yeah, it sounds and looks the part. It's freaking powerful and fast. All the trims here is all black before. If you notice, we painted it all white. It makes the car looks bigger and sportier. This is black as well. The plastic part is like matte black finish, so we painted it white just to make it more sportier. My favorite part of the car and the mods is the wheels. So this is Anrky wheels, 3-piece setup, white centers with exposed hardware, stainless, then outer lip, inner lip. So this is mirror polish finish, then the inner barrel is white as well. It's just a bit hard to maintain, but it looks really good. Then you can see the Porsche ceramic brakes, super massive, 440 mm size. Then we installed the Pilot Sport, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, NO, meaning to say it's a Porsche rated tire. This size is 285/35/22. The rear is measuring 315/30/22. So wider at the rear, more concave. Look at that. And the size of the ceramic brakes of this one is 410. So massive. We painted the side skirt white. Yeah. Then goes all the way here. So this is a Techart part. They call it the wingtips. Then the aero curtain is from Techart as well. Look at that. Looks OEM. It matches the carbon fiber roof and the carbon fiber mirror. Then the Techart spoiler. So yeah, very simple mods on this car, but it looks stunning. I love the look. It's sporty and sleek, and it looks timeless. Looks expensive too. Well, it is expensive. It's one of the most expensive SUVs that you can buy, and one of the fastest as well. Yeah, Turbo GT, look at that. Black badge. Then you can see the rear diffuser. It's all carbon fiber. This is all stock, guys. But you notice it more because we painted this glossy white. So this is black before. I told the owner, Nat, that I plan to paint it all white just to make it more sporty and make it look nicer. Then, this is stock, guys. Akrapovic titanium exhaust, stock from Porsche. Then we installed the Tneer downpipe just to make it sound louder and more badass. Then we tuned the car to produce that horsepower. So we're now inside the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. I'll tell you guys all the things that I like about this car, interior wise. I love the carbon fiber trims. Looks so nice and fitting to this special car. I noticed the steering wheel is a bit thinner than usual. I don't know if it's because of the Turbo GT. This is a Turbo GT, but I love how the steering wheel feels to my hands. I love the big screen of this car. Then the analog display of the RPM gauge. Look at that. Then I love the seats itself. It's not super tight and not super stiff and firm. It's just right, actually. It sits really, really good. And I love the color combo. Black and red with a white exterior color. I love this color combination from Porsche. This SUV feels like a sedan, literally like a car. I've never driven an SUV this agile and this quick to steer. I've driven a lot of SUVs like what's the competitor of this? RSQ8, Bentayga, Urus, even an Urus. This outperforms an Urus when it comes to handling. The car's ready. Fast, right? Yeah. So this has a 4-liter V8 twin turbo engine. You can get that from a Bentayga, from a RSQ8, for an Urus. It's the same engine, but this feels faster. I don't know why. It's 10 horsepower less than an Urus, but it really feels faster, guys. I love how it feels. I love how the turbo kicks in. So stock form, it produces 650 horsepower and 850 torque. But we tuned this car via MC chip at our shop, Titan Works. So now it's producing 750 horsepower and 950 torque. Can you believe? 750 horsepower on an SUV. Crazy. 0 to 60, 3.1 seconds. Well, you can feel it, like 3.1 seconds. It's amazing. This car is equipped with the Akrapovic stock titanium exhaust, but we installed downpipes, catless downpipes. It sounds so good. It sounds nice. It's not super loud that it's irritating and obnoxious for an SUV, but it just sounds good. So from all the SUVs that I've driven, even with big brake kit, this brake feel and the brake system of this car is the best. I can honestly say that this is the best. The 440mm massive carbon ceramic brakes installed here, it really stops the car. Wow, that's so fast already. Yeah. Look at that. It corners like a sports car. Okay, let's try to do a launch. I actually don't know yet how. So park, then you put it into Sports Plus, put it into drive, press the gas pedal, performance start, go. Holy shit. Wow! Damn! This car launch is so violent. Wow. Wow. I would like to do it one more time. Wow. That I didn't expect. This car launches so good. I think we end the video with that launch. I hope you guys like what I did to this Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. Well, I personally love this car, that's why I'm featuring it to you guys. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Goodbye!